Hello. I was really happy to see a few months ago that Katie Moody was coming out with a book. I really enjoy her colourful mixed media sketchbooks, and I'll put links to her social media in the description box below. So the book's finally been released, Sketchbook Joy, How to Embrace Your Creativity and Fill Your Sketchbooks with Colour. I thought I'd do a quick flip through and then try one of the projects from later on in the book. So it's a paperback book and the front cover folds out to show a lovely swatch of mixed media colours. I've actually read through the whole book already. There are lots of Katie's illustrations throughout. So Katie addresses lots of different subjects surrounding art to start with, such as making time, what references to rely on, that kind of thing. She looks at where we can get inspiration from for our sketchbooks. And then there's a section on different mediums that can be used. So different sketchbooks, dry materials, brushes, different paint types. She looks a little bit at colour theory and colour mixing. And every page is decorated with her own lovely illustrations. Then she's got a section on the techniques for mixed media. And really it covers all the kind of things which I would want to cover as well in going over all the basics. And then just over halfway through the book, there are the projects. And they're in a range of mediums. She talks about which materials are used for each project. And then you get a step-by-step work through. I'm not going to show you all the pages because I want there to be some nice surprises for you if you have a chance to look through it. But I just wanted to give you a taste of what the book's like. And then at the very back, there's a list of prompts, things to get you going if you're not quite sure what to do in your sketchbook one day. So yeah, it's a very nice, gentle book to encourage you with your sketchbooking. And now I'll go through and pick one of the projects from the book and get on with that. So the project I've picked out to do is a nice little beach scene done in acrylic paints. And I've pulled up my Pith Oroblanco A4 sketchbook for this, because I've got quite a few acrylic paintings in here. I've got out a paper palette to mix my acrylics on, and I'm going to use a mixture of Lefranc Bourgeois Flashe paints and golden SoFlat paints. And then I've just grabbed a handful of different acrylic brushes. So the first step in the book is a big pink background. most of this layer is going to get covered up, so I'm not worrying too much about streakiness or anything like that. I use a cloth to get off most of the acrylic paint from my brush before I wash it. So next, I'm just blocking in some larger elements.
Not a star in the sky could steal your light. You are the diamond in the dark. No oceans out there can wash you away. There is no way that you can't break. The good in you makes a better me, and you're easily the best part I see. You're a fighter, you're a fighter. Now I see what life could be when you're standing next to me. You're a fighter, you're a fighter. I'm higher, higher, higher than ever before. I'm higher, higher, higher.
And now to add in some more colour and a little bit more detail.
The good in you makes a better me, and you're easily the best part I see. You're a fighter, you're a fighter. Now I see what life could be when you're standing next to me. You're a fighter, you're a fighter. I'm higher, higher, higher than ever before. I'm higher, higher, I'm higher than ever before.
So that was step 3, and then next we've got a tree and some shadowy bits.
The good in you makes a better me, and you're easily the best part I see. You're a fighter, you're a fighter. Now I see what life could be when you're standing next to me. You're a fighter, you're a fighter. Higher, higher, higher than ever before.
So next we've got the darkest tones. So the tree and a bit more foliage, and then we're starting to get some details in the water. So then we've got a few more details, like a little sunbather. And at this point, Katie talks about adding some coloured pencils. That was so enjoyable to do. I think one of the joys of having art books is that to some extent you can just kind of switch your brain off and relax and just enjoy following instructions or copying something without having to make some of the creative decisions yourself about colour and placement and things. And this was no exception. So yes, that's Katie Moody's new book, Sketchbook Joy. I hope you enjoyed taking a look at it. Bye!